Rasna lu pembukaan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
The Honorable Lecturer Dr. Rohimah and all my loving audience. First of all, let us thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because of His blessing we are able to come here to join in this meeting. Okay, we want presentation today is about long conversation. Before we start, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Hasna, as moderator, and my partner are Dika Fajar Karisma and Nabila Hafiza Ain. Let's begin presentation by saying Al-Basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
And the next material will be present by Dika Fajar Karisma.
Okay, learning objective. In the meeting, student will learn about who, where, when, why, and how in long conversation. At the end of the lesson, students are expected to be able to the first understand what long conversation is, the second understand how to answer the question after long conversation, and the last answer the question about who, where, when, why, and how after long conversation. The next slide. Definition. Long conversation consists of longer conversation between a man and a woman, or sometimes between two men or two women. Each conversation lasts from 30 to 90 seconds. It is preceded by brief introductory comment. After each of the conversation, there are from 3 to 5 questions. The questions are separated by a 12-second pause. You must decide which one of the 4 answer choice in your textbook is the best answer for the question. Then mark that answer on your answer sheet. The next answer. The question might be overview question or detailed question. The first question after the conversation is often an overview question. Overview question require a broad understanding of the entire conversation. To answer them correctly, you must understand what both speakers say. There are several types of overview question. Next, type of overview question. Topic question. What are the speaker discussing? Question about setting, time, and location. Where did this conversation take place? When did this conversation take place? Question about the speakers. Who are the speakers? What is the probable relationship between the speakers? Next. Tactic for extended conversation. A. Be familiar with the direction, but remember that you cannot turn the page of look over answer choices while the direction are being read. B. Pay attention to the introductory comment for each conversation. This comment will tell you which item each conversation refers to and may give you an idea of what the conversation will be about. Next. C. Preview the answer choices during the conversation and the pauses between question. Try to guess what the question will be. And D. Listen for overall concept. Who is taking part in the conversation? Where and when does the conversation take place? What is the main topic of the conversation? The answer to these questions are often suggested in the first few lines of the conversation. And the next slide, read by Nabila, please.
A. You are not permitted to take written notes, but try to take mental notes on specific details, figures, dates, places, and so on. You can sometimes check the information you think you heard against information you read in the answer choice while you are previewing. Answer exam right away. Never leave and think based on your answer. Sit always guys. Next slide. Example. You will hear. Listen to a conversation between two students. Bill, you are busy major, aren't you? That's right. I need some diff. I want to take an introductory speech class, and I have to course between two teachers, Professor Hunter and Professor Mitchfei. Do you know much about them? I've taken I've taken class from both of them. To tell you the truth, I don't really like Hunter's style of teaching. He doesn't seem to care if his students understand or not, and his sisters are pretty. Well, then what about Miss Faye? I heard his course is difficult. It is not ace, but you learn a lot, and he always encourages his students to ask questions and join in discussing. You will then hear, what does the woman ask Bill to do? You will read, give her information about two teachers. B. Help her with a speech assignment. C. Speak to a professor of her. D. Let a discussing the court answer is the woman asked Bill for some dive about the two professor who are teaching best speech course. Therefore, the best answer is question 2. You will the her. What does Bill imply that the woman so do you will read. Can her mother to teach? Discuss her problem with Professor Hunter. Sign up for ACE class. Take Professor McFee's class. The court answer is Bill Speaker, treat, treat, child, treat the child of Professor Hunter's teaching method, but favorable of Professor Miss West. So Howard probably gave her to take my first course. Therefore, the best answer is next slide. Hasna.
Exercise 7. Conversation question part 1. Focus. Guessing the question that will be asked about an extended conversation and the situation in which the conversation takes place by previewing answer. Choice. Direction. Look over the answer choice below. First, try to guess the general type of the question that will be asked about each item. Then look at the list of questions after each group of item and match the letter of the appropriate question with the item. The answer the question about the overall topic of the conversation. The first one is done. As an example, there is no audio material for this exercise. Next slide. Conversation 1. Number 1. A grade the student received. B. A story about a dance recital. C. The need for correct spelling. D. The role of a reporter. Question B. Number 2. A. Business. B. Architecture. C. Journalist. D. Dance. Question D. Number 3. A. C. Submit it too late. B. It was too long. C. Some important details were omitted. D. Almost every word was misspelled. Question C. Number 4. A. Rewrite the story. B. Buy a better dictionary. C. Put more dance recital. D. Get a job as a reporter. Question A. Question for the conversation. Number 1. A. For what class did the man do the assignment? B. What is the main topic of this conversation? C. What does the man advise the woman to do? D. What problem does the man mention in connection with the story? Situation question. Conversation 1. Which of the following best describe the situation in which the first conversation probably take place? A. One student is telling another a story about a dance. B. A professor is criticizing a student's story about a dance performance. C. An instructor is teaching a student a new dance. D. One student is suggesting ways in which the other student can improve her spelling. Conversation 2. 5. Number 5. A. He doesn't get enough exercise. B. He is nervous about an important test. C. He's spending too much time at the recreation center. D. He doesn't know how to swim. Question C. Number 6. A. Across campus from the student center building. B. South of the stadium. C. On the north side of campus. D. Between the student center and the stadium. Question D. Number 7. A. Sign up for some class at the recreation center. B. Spend more time studying for exam. C. Take a break from his studies. D. Take a bus to the recreation center. Question A. Ini udah kelar kan ya?